How to create a free website with Wix. First, go to the Wix website and click Create New Site. Next, you'll be asked how you want to set up your site. For this tutorial, select Set up without chat. After that, Wix will ask you a few questions to get started. First, enter what your site is all about. A short description of your website's purpose. Then, enter your preferred website name. Next, select what your goal is for your site, like selling products, showcasing a portfolio, or blogging. Once you've filled in those details, click Design Site. Now it's time to choose your design. Click Pick a template and browse through the options. When you find a template you like, select it to start customizing your free Wix website. And that's it! You've successfully created a free website on Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tips. Thanks for watching.